I am a substance in the universe that is essence of life. Every life on earth depends upon me. I am that one thing no one can live without. So dear students, today we are going to start with new chapter number 7, importance of water. Water is an important natural resource which is essential for all living beings. It is essential for the existence and survival of plants, birds, animals, and human beings. So, today we will learn about the importance of water. Water is one of the prime elements on earth. We use water for different purposes in our daily life, like drinking, cooking, washing, etc. Water is the most essential. It is a powerful liquid that dissolves most of the substances. बेटा आपने अपने घर में देखा है पानी के अंदर आप बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो हैं वो उसके अंदर डिज़ोल्व हो जाती हैं लाइक शुगर एंड सॉल्ट एंड सो मेनी अदर थिंग्स ऑल्सो. So it's a powerful liquid which dissolves many substances, and it is flowing water that rotates the turbines in hydropower plants, and we can generate electricity with the help of water. Water is also used for transportation. We can travel on water without getting wet. Boating we can do on this water, it comes under the water sport. And transports like boats and ships move on water bodies like rivers, oceans, and seas. The human body is largely made up of water. It contains about 70% of water. There are three main functions of water in the human body. They are blood circulation and number 2, regulation of temperature. It helps in the digestion of food we eat. Water dissolves all the nutrients present in the food and help the body to absorb these nutrients. Water also helps in the cleaning of waste materials from the body in the form of urine and sweat. बॉडी से जितना भी वेस्ट मटेरियल है वो यूरिन और स्वेट पसीने के थ्रू आपकी बॉडी से बाहर आ जाता है, और वाटर उसमें सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है. वही हेल्प करता है सारे बॉडी के अंदर से वेस्ट मटेरियल को यूरिन और स्वेट की फॉर्म में आपकी बॉडी से रिमूव कर देता है. तो नॉट जस्ट ह्यूमन्स, वाटर इज़ ऑल्सो एसेंशियल फॉर प्लांट्स. Cannot live outside the water. So animals that live in water are called aquatic animals. They cannot live on the land. They can survive only in the water, and these kind of animals, they are known as aquatic animals. Lakes, rivers and seas are the natural habitat for these animals. Animals like frog, crocodile, etc. live both in water as well as on land. Okay, so as you can see here in the picture, frog on land and frog in sea, and crocodile also on you can see them on land and you can see them on in water. So animals that can live both in water and on land are called amphibious animals. We call them amphibians. Okay, तो जो दोनों जगह पे survive कर सकते हैं, land पे भी और water में भी, तो they are known as amphibious animals. Thus, we can say that every organism that is from a tiny insect to a blue whale needs water. So we have just studied about the importance of water for animals. Now we will learn importance of waters for plants. Plant needs water to grow and stay fresh. We all know that thing. Moreover, to get healthy fruits and vegetables, we need plenty of water for the plants, trees and crops regularly. Like human body, plants too require nutrients for their proper growth. And these nutrients present in the soil, they get dissolved in the water. And plants can also prepare their own food with the help of Water can also be used for the germination of seeds. Whenever we sow some seeds in the soil, so after 4-5 days we can see the seedlings over there, and water is very important to in the germination of seeds. So is water a habitat for plants? Yes, water is a habitat for many plants such as water lily, lotus, hydrilla. Such plants that grow in water are called aquatic plants. देखिए, जो एनिमल्स जो पानी में रहते थे उनको हम कहते थे एक्वेटिक एनिमल्स, एंड जो प्लांट्स पानी में ग्रो करेंगे उनको हम कहते हैं एक्वेटिक plants. So, dear students, today we have learnt about the importance of water in our daily life, like we use water for drinking, cooking, washing, agricultural activities, for generating electricity. And we have also learnt about the importance of water for our body, role of water in our body, blood circulation. It helps in blood circulation, it regulates the temperature of our body, and it also helps in cleaning of waste material from our body. And one more thing we have learned, that role of water for the survival of plants, because plants को जितना भी nutrient मिलेगा with the help of water मिलेगा from the soil. So, my dear students, 3-4 questions I have designed for this video, and after watching this video you will solve these 4 questions. First question is, give 2 examples of aquatic animals. Question number 2, in which of the following activities water not required? Bathing, agricultural activity, drying of wet clothes and washing of clothes. किस में आपको पानी नहीं चाहिए? एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, अपार्ट फ्रॉम डोमेस्टिक एक्टिविटीज़, जैसे हम शुरू से बचपन से पढ़ते आए हैं डोमेस्टिक यूजेस, कुकिंग, वॉशिंग और क्लीनिंग फ्लोर, और इसमें हम करते हैं, उसके अलावा पानी के कौन से यूजेस आप लिख पाएंगे, तो आपको वो लिखने हैं. एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, स्टेट द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ वाटर इन आवर बॉडीज. Okay, so you will watch this video thoroughly and read page number 63 and 68 and 69 in your book.